Moscow has no interest in any proposed deal to end the war in Ukraine, a Kremlin spokesperson told the New York Times in an interview published Sunday. The admission, which was promoted by Russian state media, comes amid claims by some American politicians that the United States could broker an agreement by withholding arms and urging Ukraine to make territorial concessions. There are currently no grounds for an agreement, the Kremlin's Dmitry Peskov told the New York Times.
To make this kind of video, first you need the news. For news, we are going to visit Google News. So, from this link, visit Google News. From this page, choose your news. Like I want to make a news video on this topic. So, click on it. Open your notepad. Copy your news. And paste it here. You can directly use this news, or you can go ChatGPT and write, refresh it, copy the news and paste it here. So now we have our unique script. After script, we need the background music for our video. So go to YouTube Audio Library and search news. You will get a lot of options here. You just choose one and download it from this list. After music video, we need video footage. For video footage, we will visit YouTube and write Russia-Ukraine war. From this page, go to filter. Now Creative Commons. We can use video footage from Creative Commons for our YouTube video. So from this list, just download some video. So after news, music and video, now we need the video presenter. For video presenter, we will visit this website, credoai.com. You can sign up here free or sign in with Google. This is their homepage. From the homepage, we will visit Digital Human Video Creation. Click here. Now check this list. There are a lot of video presenter options, but only 5 of them are free. So we are going to use the free ones. Like I am selecting this one. Look at here. The ratio is 16:9. For YouTube video, always select 16:9. Now from this list, you can select your language. My language is English, so I am selecting English. From this list, you can choose the voice of an artist. I am just selecting on. Here is language style. So newscast, angry, cheerful, sad, excited. I need this one, newscast. Now here we paste our content. So go to ChatGPT, copy the script and paste it here. You can check the voice from Audition.
On Monday, the Security Service of Ukraine SBU released a statement claiming.
Now click on Generate Video. Now click this option, Generate Video. So it will take 11 minutes to complete the video. So let's complete our other task. For this, go to Canva. We need a newsroom background. So click on Video. Click on Create Blank. Now search news. From this list, I am selecting this one. You can easily edit it. So for this option, I am going to visit my news page, copy the title, come to Canva, select this news and paste it here. Now download it. Go to Share, Download and Download. So it is downloading. Now go to Elements, search News, go to Videos and select this one. Now adjust this video. And download it. So I have downloaded two videos from Canva. I am going to show you how I will use them. Let's check our video presenter. Our video presenter's video is ready. So click on this download button and it is downloaded. Our all files are ready. Now we need to make the video. For making video, I am going to use Camtasia. You can use any software. Just follow my steps. At first, import all media that you downloaded. So here is all my media. At first, drag this file. Let's check the file. I need the background music for it. So drag the background music and put it here. Let's check. Now split the music in this position and delete the rest. Now drag the second video that I downloaded from Canva. Now drag the video presenter's video over this track. This video is in green screen, so I need to remove the green screen. For removing green screen, click on More, go to Visual Effects, click on Remove Color and drag it over the video. From the right side, click on green screen, click the pen. Now click here. So our green screen has been removed. To make it better, increase the tolerance. Now check here. Our video presenter's file is a bit long. Copy the file I downloaded from Canva and paste it here again. Now drag it at the bottom and adjust it with the video presenter layer. So it is now perfect. Now I need to add the YouTube video. For adding YouTube video, somehow split the video presenter's file. Now for a moment, keep it here. Now bring the YouTube file. At first remove the audio of the YouTube video. So right click on the layer, edit audio and mute it. Now take 8 to 10 seconds of that video. Now take 8 to 10 seconds of the video and remove the rest. Now adjust it with the layer, put it at the right side. Now come to this video presenter's layer and bring it over the video. Put him in the left side. Now check.
Upcoming journey to the southern region of Mykolaiv. The SBU asserted that
Split the video presenter video at this point. And in this point, bring him in the middle. So our video is complete. You will do the rest like this way. You can download as much as video from the YouTube and use them 8 to 10 seconds interval. Use 8 to 10 seconds of a video, then add an image or anything else, then again use 8 to 10 seconds of a video. Like this way, you can complete a full video by using YouTube video. So I am going to render it. I am keeping it 1080 pixel. Then next, give it a name, select the folder and now finish. So our video is ready. Let's check it.
on Monday, the Security Service of Ukraine SBU released a statement claiming that a woman had been apprehended for the alleged purpose of gathering information about Ukrainian President Zelensky's schedule and locations during his upcoming journey to the southern region of Mykolaiv. The SBU asserted that this activity was intended to support.
So following this way, you can make a complete YouTube news video. On thing, just follow the trend. Look what is happening out there, what people are watching, what people are talking about, and make video on it. That's it. Thank you.